Audi RS-3, and I will show you how to remove the cabin filter. So first, you need to open your glove box. You will see this one. You need to open this, and the lock is only this one, this one, this one. Just hit like this. Oh, you will see another. So this one, you need to pull this one, press this one. There's a 3 lock. Another one. Yeah. And then, tada! There's the cabin filter. You just need to pull it, and that's all. In this case, this needs to be replaced. But since we don't have still new cabin filter, we'll just put it back. Okay. In installing cabin filter, just make sure of this airflow. The arrow should be going down. The cover. Put this one. Sorry. This one should be facing down. Okay. This. Press. Then put the lock by the cover. I hope it helps. Thanks for watching.